Okay babies, welcome back to my channel, mamas. And in this video I'm gonna come at you guys with a makeup haul. It's specifically a lot of Sephora brand products. I think I have like maybe 2 products that's not at Sephora, but majority of this makeup is from Sephora. So you guys can purchase it all from Sephora. So if you are into makeup or you are thinking to purchase some new products but you don't have like an idea of what exactly you want, I would say definitely stay tuned for this video. And if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Maisha Chanel. I post videos on every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Sundays. So welcome, welcome mamas. And also, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now. And if you are feeling my vibe, give me a like and a comment and hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified for all my latest and greatest uploads. And let's get right into it. So the first product I got from Sephora is gonna be the Patrick Starrr, the one size. And these are the lashes in the style Come Through. They are super dramatic. These are so like not my style of lashes anymore. But I have like a whole look in mind that I'm gonna do with these lashes, so definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna do these lashes in like the whole one size brands, and I think you guys are gonna love it. So that was the first thing I got. I have a regular like beauty blender. This is the plant based, or 60% plant based, so a beauty blender basically. I have this is not from Sephora, but this is the NYX, the brow glue, and I did put it on today if you guys could see, but I still have other brow products on. Oh shit, I didn't mean to put it there, but I wanted y'all to like kind of see it. I kind of messed up, but whatever. And this is it. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about it, so I will definitely tell you guys if I like it or if I love it, but it's okay for now. I know like that whole laminated brow is like super in, so I kind of wanted to just give it a try and see if I like it. So before I purchased the Anastasia one, because that one's a little bit more pricey, I was like, you know what, let me try out the NYX because I heard really good things about this. So I have that. I got some Olaplex number 3. This is the repair and strengthening. It's basically like a treatment for your hair. It's gonna help with strengthening hair and damage or color treated hair or all that good stuff. It's gonna help with it. You're gonna use this basically before you do the shampoo and conditioner, and I had like 2 units in particular that really needed this help, and I did use it. I feel like honestly you don't get a lot, so if you have a lot of hair that you have to work with, you do not get a lot for this price. So it is $30, so keep that in mind. It's more on the pricier side. It's supposed to be amazing, but I feel like you just do not get that much. That's my opinion, but I will keep you guys updated on if I like it or whatever. I also got a mini size of the one size translucent powder. I didn't want to get a big one just because I have so many products, and I just did not want a lot of products, so a lot of translucent powder when I have a lot. And my battery is about to die, so this video is not gonna be super long. I'm gonna like get it on and pop it and keep talking. So that's that. I also have an Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. Who doesn't need setting spray? Keep your makeup on, especially with these masks. You do not want your makeup to come off underneath your mask. Use some setting spray, and of course set your face. So we have that. I have also the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. Mine is used because I did use it today. That's what I have on my face right now. It's the CC cream, which so far I do like this a lot. It's supposed to be like a dupe for the IT Cosmetics, which I will absolutely say it is because I have tried it. It's pretty much exactly the same. So if you wanted to try the IT Cosmetics CC cream but you don't want to spend the money, I would definitely say check out the e.l.f. one because it is literally exactly the same. But you get an SPF of 30, which the IT Cosmetics, I think you get an SPF of 50. So that's like the biggest difference in my opinion that I can state. I have a Kate Somerville liquid exfoliate. This is basically a triple acid resurfacing treatment, so kind of like an exfoliating chemical peel, but it's not like as intense or abrasive on the skin. So check this out. If you have a lot of texture in your skin or pores and all that stuff, if basically texture is one of your issues, I would definitely recommend you try this product. This is the second one I have, so I may give one away for a giveaway. I'm not too sure yet, but I am gonna have a giveaway coming soon on my channel, guys. So yes, I want to do a giveaway once I hit I'm gonna either do 200 subscribers or probably 250. I think I'm gonna do, once I hit 250 subscribers, we will have a giveaway, and y'all know my giveaways is always lit. I give away good products, so stay tuned for my giveaway. The Hollywood Flawless Filter, this is really beautiful. I'm going to show it up close. This is not your foundation, because I feel like a lot of people use this as foundation, and it's not a foundation. This is to be mixed in your foundation, and it gives your skin like a beautiful, luminous, glowy glow. So if you are in that type of look, and that's like your style of makeup you like, and how you like your foundation and stuff to look, definitely try this product out. I have the Patrick's Top for the face. She's thirsty mist. Basically, this is going to give your skin an all over luminous glow, and it is a mist. So this is super pretty, super beautiful. If you guys love that glowy look, like I said, this is another product you definitely want to check out. Also, I have just this little mini sample of the Briogeo Detox, Restore, and Protect Hair Care Kit. It looks like this. You get the shampoo, detoxifying, like, shampoo. Basically, it's a scalp exfoliator. You get the deep conditioner, which is their most popular product, the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioner Mask, and then you get a blow dry protectant heat protector for your hair. So definitely this is a must. And then I have for my concealer, and it's the concealer I have on right now, the NARS Creamy Radiant. I have the color Caramel underneath my eye. This is like just a classic staple. It goes on so beautiful. Caramel is like the perfect color to kind of balance everything out on my face. It had me just looking even all over. So you see face and neck, everything looks even. Check that out. I have some Biossance Squalene and Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. I'm not sure. I do believe this is newer from Biossance, and I haven't tried it yet, so I will definitely let you guys know how I like this product right here. And I also got the new Bite Beauty mascara. This is called the Upswing mascara. It is a full volume mascara. It looks like this, which I'm super excited about to try this out from Bite Beauty. As well as I have the new Grande Lash Boosting Formula mascara as well. This is also new. Can't wait to try it out, see how it is. Or if I don't try it out, because I have so many mascaras, I will probably gift it. Not gift it, but I'll probably put it in like a giveaway or something. So I'm not sure yet, but I might do that too. I also have this Jouer Blush and Bloom Celebrate Cheek and Lip Duo. So you guys know, like the cheeks and lip duos are like super popular. So I do have that. I'm going to show you guys what the color looks like really quickly. It's more of like a mauve color, which is like so my style, and I've kind of low-key been into like the whole cream blush thing. So we're definitely going to try her out and see what she's hitting for. So guys, ladies, stay tuned for that. And then I have, of course, the Charlotte Tilbury, the Airbrush Flawless Finish finishing powder. This is amazing, ladies. The best, or you know, guys, whoever, this is the best finishing powder. This is the deep color though, so I will be honest, if you are a little bit on the deeper side, this may not work for you. I don't want to lie to you guys, because it may not work, but this is such a good one. Looks like that. And then I have the Rare Beauty lip gloss in the shade Nearly Neutral. You guys know I love me a neutral mauve shade. This is so my style, and then it kind of has like this little mirror, so you could kind of look at your lips while you apply your lip gloss. Wait, no, actually you can. You can't look at your lips, but it's super cute. It's a cute little one. And then we're trickling down to the bottom, because I don't have that much more left. I have two products from Kaja. I have the Kaja Wing Stamp. So basically it's a stamp liner, and then if you like struggle to do wings, you're just gonna stamp it on with this baby. I'm so going to try this out and show you guys how it is and if I recommend it. And then on the right side you have this one. So I'm guessing you have the left side one for your left side, and then the right side for your right side. So it's super cute, very convenient, especially for my people who struggle on wing liner. I would so suggest you get this. And also I have a wing liner look that I have in mind for Valentine's Day, so you guys stay tuned, because next week I'm dropping my whole Valentine's Day series. I cannot wait to do that for you guys. And then I have just a regular Kaja Wing Stamp wing liner. So basically just a regular eyeliner. I have so many liners already, so so I might be doing a liner giveaway too. I have like so much products, y'all. It's crazy. I have so much brand new products that I haven't touched either, so yeah. And then the almost the last thing, I have a Rare Beauty cream blush, which is super cute. No, oh wait, I think I used this. I did use this, but this is a Rare Beauty blush. It looks like this. It's a cutie though. This is the color Nearly Neutral. So pretty. And then I also have the Velour Lash and Gold Liner Adhesive. So it's basically like a eyeliner. You just draw like a straight line. You stick your lashes on top of it. It's super easy to apply your falsies if you are someone who struggles with falsies. So you could do like your wing liner and still apply your lashes. This is such a good one too. And then I have the the ILIA, I'm sorry, the ILIA Lip Wrap Hydrating Mask. So basically it's a hydrating lip mask, especially with the winter being here and it like dries the hell out of our skin. This is a must, you guys, to pick up and stock up on you guys lip mask. And the last and final thing I have is just the Kosas Tinted Face Oil, which I'm like so on the fence because I'm really not like a fan of these type of things. So I don't know. If I don't test this out, I'm going to definitely probably give it to my mom because I feel like she will probably use this. So I might just give it to my mom and see if she wants it. But yeah, that's it. That's all the stuff I got from Sephora and just beauty products. So yeah, we are complete. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the products. I'm going to definitely list down below every single product that I have. I got you guys so you'll know what it is. And yeah, make sure you guys stay safe, stay warm, have a good winter, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later, mamas.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you.